location, time is more accommodating for some. But this is the Northeastern Husky Engineering Team. Welcome them back to Wickertown for the presentation of the findings along Chappaquiddick Road. Probably a very important milestone in Oliver's educational career. It's a culmination of your studies. Thank you for the work we're doing with Wickertown. We'll talk to Professor Delassi about some of these projects that are here in the class, sophomore class, which probably for next year. But we're going to keep pretty much the same format as we did last in February. The students are going to make a 20-25-minute presentation. So we're up for questions and answers. And just want to reinforce that it's going to keep the politics out of it. This is engineering work. And I guess moving on further, I'd like to turn it over to Dr. Delassi.
Thanks, Stuart. So, good evening and thank you for coming. We're very happy to be here tonight. My name is Dan Delassi and we're at Northeastern University. With me tonight are 5 graduating seniors. And just to give you a little bit of background, last fall I reached out to Stuart and several other community officials throughout Massachusetts asking them if they had any projects that the students could work on. And as part of their senior year, what they had to do was basically pick a track, an environmental track, a structural track, or a transportation track. 34 students this year chose the transportation track. We have 6 projects, one in North Andover, one in Newton, 2 in Quincy, Mass, and 1 in Sherborne, Mass, and of course this one here on the island. Each team was tasked with an assignment, and basically they had to identify a solution and come up with a complete street, as well as something that's sustainable, not only for today, but for tomorrow. And that's what they worked on here at Chappaquiddick. So, without further ado, what I'd like to do is introduce Adam Blazer, the project manager, and he's going to walk you through the presentation. What I'd like to stress tonight is that we'd like to keep the politics out of it, and we do have survey results, but we don't have them with us, and we're going to hand them off to Stuart Fuller. I know that most of you, we sent out about 500 surveys. A lot of you returned them, thank you. We're going to hand the results over to Stuart Fuller, and Stuart can distribute those. There still are some trickling in, so once we have all of the final results, that'll go through Stuart Fuller. So we're going to keep the survey results out of that tonight as well. So, Adam Blazer. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. As I said, my name is Adam Blazer, and I was the project manager for our group this semester. This is a presentation for final designs for transportation facilities in Chappaquiddick County. To start up our agenda for today, just to reintroduce my team. I'm Adam Blazer. To my right, Henry Sang, Michael Petula, and Curly, and Heather Rochelles.
Could you speak up, please?
Yes, I can.
Or
Sorry.
come closer to us, maybe? Thank you very much.
So, to start up, since we weren't very familiar with Chappaquiddick Island or the history of a bike path here or any kind of improvements to the island, we outlined a series of objectives for ourselves, starting out with first identifying a need for any type of improvement. Once a need was determined, we developed various alternatives. From these alternatives, we developed an objective matrix using criteria such as cost, environmental impact, and also sustainable design criteria. And through this matrix, we were able to determine our final designs and then create plans for these designs. So, to identify our project area, we are in Chappaquiddick Island, southeastern Martha's Vineyard. And our corridor in question that we were tasked with was Chappaquiddick Island, Chappaquiddick Road,